Okay, here we are at the Sunrise RV Park in Texarkana, Texas. Got here last night about 3, I guess, 3:30. Very accommodating. They were our B plan backup. We were going to try to boondock over there at the Pilot, but it was full both up front and out back. They have spots for overnights there, but they were full already. So these people were very accommodating, got us in a spot that it's easy in, easy out. Very nice people. We'd come back here again if we just needed an overnight real quick, but it's really tight. And we'll show you a few little problems. Everybody's always got their problems, but we're on our way home. We're leaving this morning. We're going to try and stop at Forrest City, Arkansas, which is about 200 miles or less than 200 miles from home. And then we'll be getting home on Friday. So let's take a look around. Like I said, again, it's people were very nice, very accommodating, and it just needs a little bit of fix up like most RV parks do. So let's take a look around. This is the office coming in. As you can see already, the place is really full of potholes, I guess because of the winter and stuff, but you got to go really slow in here or you'll shake everything to death in your rig. Very wet. It's of course, all these storms and stuff have been running through here. We had a little thunder, lightning last night, a little bit of rain, but we're heading home. We're going to be chasing the big storm all the way home. Here's the office. People that checked us in were real nice and accommodating. Like I said, we kind of got here at the last minute, but here's your overall look around. We'll go show you our site. It's, you know, it's easy in and out, but the sites are kind of strange. Okay, here's our spot, and then Ray and Anita are over there next to the Volano. That's a nice trailer, really nice people. We met them last night when we first came in, but here's the problem with this place. You can see how tight the spots were. This is going to be kind of a short one because we're in a hurry to get out of here, but they're really tight. You almost step on the other guy's poop tube when you come out. So we're going to be getting out of here shortly and heading towards the house. We'll see you then. Okay, here we go. We're getting ready to leave Sunrise RV Park in Texarkana, right off of I-30. We're going to head to Forrest City today. See if we can stop over there overnight, and then we're on our way home. So down the road we go. We're really excited, aren't we, today? So.
I'm just ready to get home.
Yeah, I am too. It's pothole city trying to get in and out of here. Okay, we got to go down the Pilot first and get us some petrol. Here we go.
That's fine. Oh, okay.
Tell them that if they need gas, this has an RV drive up down here. Easy in, easy out. It's on the left hand side. Just look to the side. Of course, then okay, we just filled up at the Pilot station. It's right down the street from the RV park. They do have 2 RV lanes so that you can pull right in, get your fuel, whatever type you need, and easy in, easy out. Here we go, we're taking off Forrest City. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Take me where your river flows. I wanna drive on your open road like the wilderness where we are born singing whoa. There's an ocean in your eyes, a million stars that paint the sky. So we'll drift down with the tide singing whoa. You and me, let's fly away somewhere past the Milky Way. Maybe we'll return someday. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up. Waiting for the sun to rise, rainy days and careless nights. Say you will, don't say goodbye, say it's alright. Throw your caution to the wind, the shelter of my single bed. You can call it Wonderland, we could stay the night. You and me, let's fly away somewhere past the Milky Way. Maybe we'll return someday. Don't wake me up, don't wake me up. Riding on an endless wave, freight trains and aeroplanes. Maybe we'll return someday. Don't wake me up till we are home.
Okay, we're going to be getting off of I-30 eastbound. We're doing about less than a mile. Rest stop, check everything out, and take a quick walk around the trailer and look at everything, look at the tires, and going to take a little bit of a rest, and we'll be back on the road. There it is, rest stop, right lane. I think it's it's just after the 56 mile marker going east on I-30 in Arkansas. There it is, wouldn't pack. We're hoping we can find a spot, but I got a feeling not.
I think there's some down there.
Man, worse comes to worse. We can do it outside. Oh, that's not one there.
There's one between.
We'll be squeezing our way in here. Try to leave him enough room to get out. See if I'm. Looks like I must be up far enough because the truck will throw by me back there. See if I can back up a little bit so I can get this guy. He's not ready to leave yet, but
He's getting ready to leave.
all right, we're done at the rest stop. Checked everything, looks good, and here we go. Heading back to Forrest City. We're not heading back, but heading down to Forrest City. As long as we don't get hit by a truck or anything, or hit another truck. The road's crowded with big trucks today because I think they were all holding up because of the storm last night and the night before. Now they're trying to make up time. Man, they're just almost back to back. Here we go.
I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest. I am torn, I am bleeding. Seen many
getting off here at 241A on I-40 eastbound, and we're heading towards what? Delta?
Exit right to exit 241A, Arkansas 1 Business South, Forrest City.
Delta something or other RV park. This GPS was talking and I couldn't hear nothing else. Go down what?
Two blocks, turn right on at first light, red light.
In 900 feet, turn right on Confederate Drive. Turn right on Confederate Drive.
Oh, great. It's a short turn. The light must be red down there or something. Everybody's backed up. You sure it is?
That's what it says.
And then
Go past the old sawmill
cafe.
cafe.
Okay.
Keep straight to the office.
Okay.
Then right again past the old sawmill cafe.
Yeah, there is. Right there at that corner.
In 400 feet, turn right.
There's the old sawmill cafe. Turn right where? Past it?
Past it, yes.
Okay, I see a sign that says RV Park. It's Old Mill Cafe.
Turn right.
Oh, this is back in there.
Yep.
In 600 feet,
What?
you'll arrive at Delta Ridge RV Park, Inc. off Confederate Drive, Forrest City.
I don't care. It's a place to stay.
Yep. Wow, it used to be a pretty nice place.
Yeah.
That wind was blowing up our rear, wasn't it?
You've arrived at your destination.
Okay. Our site's been any one of these down here.
Any one of them.
I guess. He said site, row 2 sites left of the office starting with site number 15.
Any site we want. Okay. Trying to find something with no tree to get no other, but they all got them. So.
Well, they ain't nothing. These little trees ain't gonna hurt nothing.
No, I'm just talking about the turning. Hang on, just trying to get it straightened up there a little bit. All right, here comes Ray and Anita. Any spot you want down here. This side, that side. Huh?
Is that you here or over there, either one?
Either one. Yeah, it's open.
What about paying?
Huh?
How do we pay?
They're not here yet. They're going to be here later.
Okay.
Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. We left Forrest City the next morning and headed home with less than a couple hundred miles to go, so we didn't turn on the camera since we'd seen that many times before. We hope you enjoyed our winter trip out west, so stay tuned for more Down the Road We Go and all the trips that are coming up. Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. If you're new to our channel or you just want to make sure you see all our videos, make sure you click the little subscribe button on our logo, and make sure also you ring the little bell, and that way YouTube will notify you whenever we put up a new video. So thanks for coming along for the ride as Down the Road We Go.